So I've completed my first conservation beehive out of this old cypress stump. I've actually waxed it up and put, what's it called? Let's call it varnish, but it isn't. It's stuff to protect the wood, whatever that's called. It's not varnish. I always can't think what it's called. Anyway, this is what it overlooks. Look at this beautiful valley. And all these trees were cut down. I wanted to do those trees down there, but it's a little bit difficult, a little bit risky. There's some other trees. But I think in an area like this, you know, if we put in a couple of these beehives and have someone coming around, you'll notice that I've put these sticks in the front here. So I chainsawed in here and I cut like this, right, to create the area. And then I cut the top off first and then I cut down. And you can see my videos. And I use a crowbar to break them out. And once you get one out, they come out pretty smooth. I also cut in the back here, right, and did it. I plugged that one up. I also did it here too, and I plugged that one up. So these holes are all plugged up. There may be an axis in there, you know. I don't think so, but I'm pretty proud. Hopefully the farmer isn't going to cut it down. I want to make a stencil, which I will spray on the top and says conservation beehive. Japanese conservation beehive, or maybe like on the front here, right? Be kind of cool.